Welcome to IntelliHome Smart. Oh, wait a minute. That's not the name of the channel anymore. Today we've got some updates about what's going on with the channel, as well as a new product giveaway. But first, check out the new intro. So I started YouTube because a lot of friends and family said that I should. I kind of have become the smart home tech product organization solution / DIY guru for many of the people that I know. So I decided to share what I'm passionate about in my free time with you guys on YouTube. So I jumped in head first by buying a camera or 2 or 3 that I didn't know how to use, having a logo made, shirts, and all this other cool stuff, and effectively building a brand. The thing is, I'm not here to sell anything. My brand is me, my experience, and my opinions. So that's what I'll be sharing going forward, in a more authentic and natural way. Things that I like, things that I don't like, and hopefully you find value in that. So going forward, the channel will be called Tony on Tech, because I'm Tony, and I'll be talking about tech, DIY projects, smart home gear, home theater, audio, garage gadgets, organization solutions, tech EDC, cars, all the stuff that I'm into, and hopefully you're into as well. So if that sounds like the type of stuff that you'd like to hear more about, please subscribe and stay tuned. Also, I'm looking for an editor to help me get more of these videos out faster. So if you're a freelance editor and you're interested, hit me up in the comments or in the email in the bio. Speaking of tech, my tech basket here is overflowing with stuff that I haven't gotten around to, or I'm probably not going to use. I decided to do something else. And I've got this brand new SofaBaton X1 here that I'd like to give this a new home and have some fun with a little giveaway and driving some engagement around the channel. So we're on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment with subbed, followed by whatever product, concept, or something around my smart home that you'd like more information on that I can share in an upcoming video. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a raffle on the SofaBaton X1, very similar to what we did with the Aqara motion sensor a couple months back. So that should be fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and maybe you have a $150, $120 SofaBaton remote coming your way from me for free. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I actually have some videos coming up with products that were sent to me to be reviewed, but the idea is no sponsored videos. This is what I do for fun, and hopefully I can provide value. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.